charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you chase away my fears. I'm on my own. You made it.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Code Home Classroom. I know that it's been a long time, and I've been working on some projects for a client, and it has been very hectic. But I, I try to steal away time and bring this short video with you. I know that you've been following the previous tutorial, okay, the lectures, and this time around, I know you know your way around the HTML, the CSS, external CSS. You know your way around IDs. You know your way around classes and calling the classes and the IDs from the external CSS into the main page that we are working with. Okay. Now today I'm going to introduce you to CSS frameworks. Okay. Now a framework is already built code that you can just import the code, just add the files to the files that you are working with on your website, and use the already designed CSS codes. Okay, so I'm going to introduce you to some frameworks out there, CSS frameworks out there. It's simply a CSS file, okay, that they have created, but they've created all the classes, okay, and they've designed them from the buttons to the nav bar to the side navs to the carousels, modals, the drop downs, the pop-ups, the alert messages. They've designed all them using CSS, and they've stored them inside classes. So all that you have to do is that you have to know the classes, okay, the naming conventions, okay, how they name their classes and how to call for those classes and use them in your project. So what CSS frameworks does is that it really helps developers, okay, who don't want to waste much time with the design, but they want to jump into the algorithms, the database structures, and make their website more functional. Okay, so I'm going to introduce you to, but before that, you see, in our previous lectures I introduced you to Adobe SD, whereby you can use it to do all your designs before coding them. I told you that a good programmer doesn't just jump into the code, he always design the whole thing. A good programmer, you don't just jump into the goal. You have, because of the design thinking, you think about what you're about to do, think about the colors, think about everything. If you want to become a full stack developer, that means you want to do your own front end designs and do your back end designs. Then I will encourage you, get Adobe SD. I'll leave the link below, okay, for you to download. It's absolutely free. Okay, there's a free package that you can use it to do all these cool stuff that I have done here. So this our company's website that I'm redesigning, paperless.com. If you know the previous one, is still there. I'll leave the link below for you to check it. So when it is being redesigned, you can go and see the difference between. You can take a screenshot of the old one and you can just compare the two. So we are redesigning the whole website, and in the coming lectures I want you to stay glued. If you've not subscribed to this channel, I'm telling you, please subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell for you to receive notification whenever I post a new lecture, because right here in this lecture I'm going to, even though it is a company's project, I'm going to build the company's website with you. So at the end of of these coming lectures, you'll be able to build our company website from scratch. You know the in and out, how I was able to build a company's website, how I was able to redesign the whole website and develop it from scratch to look like what I have done in the Adobe SD. So don't miss any step, any lecture video, don't miss it. Okay, so we have, because we're going to redesign the whole website, we have another design for the coming soon. We are redesigning our website just for you. So in the next lecture, we are going to start with designing coming soon, and you will see it. I'll be leaving the link to the website. Okay, I'll be leaving a link to the website. Okay, so you can go there and go and see that, oh, we are on it. Okay, and we are building the website. Okay, if you know maybe yours is more slick and more nicer than what I'm doing, I think you can share your code with me, and I can quickly just fuse it into my code so that I can speed up my work for the company. Okay, so I'm going to redesign our company's website. So I'll leave the old link in the comments below. Okay, I'm going to redesign the whole company's website with you, so don't go anywhere. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, I will encourage you to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button to receive notification anytime that I post a new video for this lecture. Okay, so this is what we are going to do for the coming lectures. We are going to do one, the coming soon website, the redesigning. We are redesigning our website. We're going to design this website, and when we are done with the coming soon page, we are going to start coding the company's website. So when I'm through with you, and I will also be done with the company's website, and I will deploy the website for the company. So this is an opportunity for you to learn from scratch how I design the company's website. Okay, so that you can pick it up from there. See, it looks complex, but it's very simple when you're using the CSS frameworks. It's going to really speed up the work for us to finish early. Okay, so let me take you to some of the CSS frameworks out there. Now, let me first introduce you to the one of the most popular CSS frameworks out there. I learned if yeah. So this is the coming soon page. This is how our coming soon will look like. Okay, when we are done with the coming soon, very slick and very nice. So one of the most popular out there is Bootstrap. I know you've heard of Bootstrap, but you don't even know what it is. So this is their website, getbootstrap.com. I'll leave the link below. Okay, so it's built for fast, responsive websites site with Bootstrap. So when you say responsive, you see, looking at their website. Okay, looking at, let's say, paperless old website. So this is our old website, and it has been redesigned completely from scratch. It has been redesigned. We're going to code all these things, code the website again from scratch. Now when we talk about responsiveness, this is what it means by responsiveness. If I begin to if I shrink the size of my browser, okay, into a mobile form, to a mobile view, you can see that the design is still responsive. Okay, the buttons are still intact. See, some websites which are not responsive, when you turn it into mobile view, pardon me, when you turn it into mobile view, you see that the button is missing, some of the text is missing, you can't see your menu. Yes, so that's a non-responsive website. But because when you use the CSS frameworks, it's already built in a way that when you start coding, it becomes responsive to mobile platforms. Okay, so you don't need to waste your time going to code all the media queries in the CSS to make your website responsive. So so you can see that our old website was even responsive, just that we are changing the whole look and feel and the whole business scope. Okay, and I know you are going to enjoy these coming lectures. So let me go back to the desktop view. So Bootstrap, okay, is built for fast and responsive sites. Okay, now what we are going to do, okay, so Bootstrap is one CSS framework that you have to know, and there's another. So I'm showing you two of my best CSS frameworks. So you can go and research. There are numerous number of them there. There's Foundation CSS framework, UI Kit, Semantics, a lot. There are a lot of them. Okay, and these are the few that I can remember. But the two best that I use, if I'm not using Bootstrap okay, I'm using the next one, which is material bootstrap design. Yes, and there is material design, okay, material design built by Google. So there's a material design also, which is a CSS framework out there, okay, which is very nice, very neat, okay, to use. So this is material design bootstrap. So material design bootstrap means that, you see, it has the look and feel of material design, but the CSS naming conventions are just bootstrap. So if you know bootstrap, if you are watching this video and you know bootstrap, then, and you don't want to waste your time learning the whole CSS classes for material design, then it's better for you to hook on to material design bootstrap, okay. Their website is mdbootstrap.com. I'll leave the link down below, okay. So you will still maintain your CSS classes, how you used to call your buttons, you used to call your nav bars in bootstrap, the same codes you're going to use, but here you are going to get the material design feel and look, okay, because they will override the bootstrap designs with material design for you. You don't need to worry yourself, just call for the bootstrap classes and they will override the bootstrap designs with the material design, okay. So if I'm not using material design bootstrap, then I'll be using normal bootstrap for my project, okay. So these are my two best favorite CSS frameworks out there, okay. So in this tutorial we are going to use material design bootstrap because I have to use that one for the company's website, unless maybe you don't want me to code the company's website with you, okay. Since you are going to use material design bootstrap, it's still bootstrap, so I'll be the same classes that I will be calling, and it's purely classes. We don't use IDs here, so it's classes. So the same class that I'll be calling. If you don't prefer the material design but you like the main bootstrap, it's the same classes that you'll be calling, okay. You can download the bootstrap on the same classes that you'll be calling, okay, and you'll be getting the same thing, okay. But per the company's prescription, I have to use material design bootstrap, okay. So we are going to design all this. Once again, I say we are going to design the company, we are going to redesign the company's website with you, okay. And I know that it's very wonderful to be doing such a whole company's project with you out there, okay, from scratch, from start, from downloading the files, setting up the files, coding. I'll also share the images with you, okay. If possible, I'll share the images with you so that you can follow suit and put the same images in there and code it, okay, so that you can get the same results as I am getting here. So once again, I'm going to ask you to click on the subscribe button. If you've not click on the subscribe button, I'll encourage you to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share this video with someone out there. Tell that person that if the person has started with CSS, HTML, knows his way around, there's a video there which is going to introduce them to CSS frameworks and is going to help them speed up their designs and development, okay. So they should just come subscribe to the channel and follow the lecture and tell them that we have a whole project. And I know that this is one of the few videos out there that takes a whole project with you. This is a whole organization project I'm going to build with you, okay. And at the end of this tutorial, at the end of this lecture, I know that you yourself can design your own website using your Adobe SD, and you can code from scratch using any of the CSS frameworks out there, whether Bootstrap, whether Foundation CSS framework, whether Semantics, whether UI Kit, or whether Material Design, or whether Material Design Bootstrap, okay. So in this tutorial, I'll ask you to download the files, okay. Download the files. You will see that getting started there. Let's go to the browser. You can see the getting started. When you go to material design bootstrap website, getting started is there. When you click on that getting started, you can see that There are two packages. They have the premium and they have the free. So if you want to buy the pro, you can buy the pro. It comes with a lot of packages inside. But well, I'm going to download the free. So that's the download button there. Just click on it. Okay. So no need to register, because if you have a download if you're having a download manager, it will just pick. It's a zip file. My download manager has picked the bag. Unfortunately I can't show you my screen. The camera can't show you my screen. I'll be getting a better camera soon, okay, for our videos. So I'll just click on the download. You will see mdb-free underscore 4.19.0.zip. So the current version is 4.19. So download the zip file, and I'll see you in the next lecture, whereby we are going to unzip the file. Okay, we are going to unzip the file. We are going to put the file in our working folder, and I will show you how to link the files and how to start coding, and magically the designs will just be coming up, and you don't need to do a lot of things. I'm going to walk you through how to arrange the things, how to make it responsive, how to make the website responsive. When it goes to mobile view, it doesn't some of the images doesn't disappear, or maybe the button doesn't disappear. Okay, so I have downloaded my mdb-free.zip file. I know that you also want it. Download it and get ready for the next lecture. Okay, so before you go, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share this video with your friends, share in your IT groups, or maybe you have a friend who wants to learn website development. This is for him. He doesn't even need to know even HTML, but just know his way around HTML, CSS. You don't need to know the whole HTML and CSS. By following even this video, these lectures, whereby we are going to design the whole company's website with a framework, the person can just catch up and know his way around of designing his own website. So share this video with a friend. Okay, share in your class groups, share with any group that you are in, that they are tech and they are interested in tech. Okay, and I know that it's going to be, you're going to have a great time. And I want to officially thank Paperless for giving me the go ahead to do this company's project with my YouTube subscribers. Okay, so subscribe and share the video, and let your friends also come and subscribe and learn, as we are going to develop the company's website from scratch with you. I'm going to do it with you every step on the way. I'm going to do it with you. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.
You meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the strategy.